Assalamualaikum, my dear students. Hope you are doing very well by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Khaled Akhtar, assistant teacher of Social Science, National Adult English Version School, Day Shift. So, my dear students of class 2, today I am going to take a social science class for you, and this is lecture number 9. SW number will be 9. We will do matching and MCQ from chapter 17. Okay, name of the chapter is Bangladesh and population. Actually, from Bangladesh we will do the topic which is population. So we have done the reading done and the questions also. So now we will do matching and MCQ part. So at first we will look at the board to see the matching. This portion is column A and this portion is column B. We will match with column A with column B. So I am starting from here. The first one, A. Bangladesh is, which will be the answer, dear students? Can you say? So the answer will be Bangladesh is a small country by area. So in number 4 we are getting the answer with A. So the answer will be Bangladesh is a small country by area. So we will match with A with 4. And then the growth of population was very high. So with B we will match 5. So this will be like this. The growth of population was very high. The transports are overcrowded. The transports are overcrowded with people. This will be the answer. The transports are overcrowded with people. So dear students, look at the board. In number C, the option is transports are overcrowded. The rest of the part will the sentence will be with people. Tribal people follow a traditional way of life. This is the answer of this part. Tribal people follow a traditional way of life. So the last point of this matching is population is our answer will be main national problem. So we will match with E with 2. The answer will be population is our main national problem. So dear students, let's read this again. Number 1, Bangladesh is a small country by area. Number B, the growth of population was very high. Number C, transports are overcrowded with people. Tribal people follow a traditional way of life. Population is our main national problem. So dear students, now we will do the MCQ part. MCQ means multiple choice questions. The first one is, which is the area of Bangladesh? So the area of Bangladesh is actually 1,47,610 square kilometers. So this will be the answer. And number 2, total population of this country is, there's options 41 crores, 16.62 crores, 17 crores. So the answer will be 16.62 crores because this is given in your book. And number 3, in respect of population, Bangladesh is dash country of the world. So what is the actually volume of population? According to that, we will try to find out which position Bangladesh actually is in right now. This is actually in 6th, 8th or 9th. We have to find out the answer. The answer is 8th. So the answer is, in respect of population, Bangladesh is 8th country of the world. Number 4, what is the main problem of Bangladesh? The options are population problem, health problem, poverty problem. Answer will be population problem. We need large family, small family, rich family. Actually, to run the society very properly, we need actually small families. Okay, so the answer is small families. So dear students, let's read this again. The number 1, what is the area of Bangladesh? 1,47,610 square kilometers. Number 2, total population of this country is 16.62 crores. Number 3, in respect of population, Bangladesh is 8th country of the world. What is the main problem of Bangladesh? Population problem. And number 5, we need small family. So dear students, you have SW number 9. SW will be same. Same means you have to do matching and MCQ in your HW, and you have to submit this by Saturday. So my dear students, hope you have understood today's topic. In the next class we will come with a new topic. Till then, stay safe. Assalamu alaikum. Allah Hafiz.